yourself. What a wonderful world.
We've lost more than half of the mangrove forests in the country. For our coral reefs, less than 4% remain in excellent condition. 800,000 hectares na lang of virgin forests remain. One could say that the Philippine environment is in a critical state. No? I think we saw that in the recent calamities sa Ondoy and Pepeng. All of us have a stake in the environment, and unfortunately, all human activity has an impact on the environment. I've been supporting human heart nature from the very beginning because I completely believe in going organic, of course, because that's very pro-environment. But more than that, because it is pro-poor and pro-Filipino.
The main livelihood of the people here is by planting corn, some sugarcane, but due to very high farm inputs, they tend to stop their production. People migrate in the city. The life here is so miserable that the parents cannot afford to send children in school. So it's very good that human nature is here to buy the products so that the livelihood will be steady or ongoing. Now they have the regular income to provide foods for the family, to send children in school, have a decent home. There is what we call the return of the community spirit. The family now is intact.
They were able to expand their farm lots. They were able to have the extension in their house. They were able to send their children to school, and they have more time doing school activities and even church activities in their communities.
The first time I heard about human nature, I heard it from my niece. We use it in the family. So we found out, well, they're very good and they're cheap too. And I do give this a lot to my patient as a part of the treatment planning guidelines. The other day, a patient came in. When she opened her hands, she said, "Doctor, look at my hands." I say, "Oh my God, your hands are even finer and prettier than mine."